guys, it's Jessie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how I make these cute DIY aesthetic stickers. It's super duper easy. I would say it takes about 10 to 20 minutes depending on how many you're making, and the outcome is literally so cute. So if you guys want to learn how to make these stickers, make sure to keep on watching. So first what you're going to want to do is open up your search browser and go to pinterest.com, or you can probably use Google. Once you're at Pinterest or Google, you're just going to search stickers and find the stickers that you want to make. There are tons of options, especially on Pinterest. Once you find what you want to do, you are just going to click on that and drag it into your desktop or laptop. Then you're going to want to create a blank pages document and put the images that you're using onto that document. You can play around with the sizing. You probably want to make your stickers pretty small. Then just print out your pages, and here are the stickers that I'm going to be making. You're going to need parchment paper, scissors, tape, and the stickers that you printed out. First, what you're going to want to do is spread out your parchment paper and place a layer of tape on it. You want to use packing tape because normal clear tape is not going to be thick enough. Then you're going to want to cut out your stickers. And I'm doing lots of fun stickers like Chick-fil-A and just little inside jokes that I have with my friends, and then cute aesthetic ones. Then you're going to take another layer of packing tape and place that on top of the stickers. Just pat down the tape and then start to cut out each of your stickers, leaving just a little bit of parchment paper around the edges. Then, once all of them are done being cut out, you can start putting them on whatever you want. I'm putting them on my hydro flask. They're super easy to peel. They're super easy to place on your surface as well. I think they're literally so cute, and they can add personalization to anything. There are so many stickers on Redbubble that are literally so expensive, and I think these are a great way to save money and have them look cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, once again, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to me, as well as comment down below which sticker was your favorite that I made in today's video. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you guys later. Bye!